Meet Brittany. She just spotted someone on Instagram doing the exact thing God told her to do 5 months ago. She's experiencing what scientists call regret mixed with conviction. And yes, that note with the idea is still showing in her phone, alone, unused, judging her silently.
Why'd you have to tell my business like that, though? If you've ever had an idea from God that you sat on, procrastinated, second guessed, only to see someone else launch it boldly, then this one's for you. You are not lazy. You are not too late, but you do have to move. Step one, recognize delayed obedience is disobedience. I'm gonna say it again. Delayed obedience is still disobedience. And I'm gonna tell you that one cut me. And that thing that you were calling waiting on confirmation or waiting until you have everything you need to make it perfect, that thing is holding you back. You've heard from the Holy Spirit, you've written the ideas, and now it's time to do. This is what we talk about at the Creator Lab, faith and works. And I say that a lot because it's for me. That message is for me. So I'm not just talking to you, I'm talking about this from experience. Number two, stop looking for perfection and start with what you already have in your hands. Perfectionism is a delay tactic that's dressed in a productivity costume. God is not asking for perfection from you. He is asking for your obedience. He's not looking for the most polished. He is looking for the most willing. Number three, we're going to counter those lies with the truth. Those negative thoughts that you have about yourself and your own abilities, those inadequacies that, you're not ready. Nobody's going to watch you. You don't have this or that. You aren't good enough. God knew exactly who you were when he gave you the vision. And if I'm being real with you, this video that I'm recording right now is me taking my own advice. Stop talking yourself out of the ideas that God has given you. If God gave it to you, he's already equipped you for it, and his grace is on you. You don't need to be perfect. God has that part on lock. You just need to begin. All right? Bye.